So here I am, back again in an undisclosed location. I've got pretty much the entire structure of the old spring box taken down. And I've got what looks like the original spring head back here. You can see it flowing out of those rocks, those cracks and stuff back there. I've got it coming out around pretty much this whole back wall. And it's coming out here. You can still see it actually bubbling out right there. It's kind of hard to see in the sun. Bubbling out of the ground right there. But I've estimated, ooh, even right there, I didn't even know it was bubbling out of the ground right there too. But I'm gonna dig out most of this sediment here again, keep going with it, and I'm gonna put the water collection system in. Pretty much put a big dam right here with some pipes coming out of it, and try to collect as much of it as I can, backfill it with gravel, put plastic on top, then dirt, probably more plastic and more dirt, really seal it in real good, and then run a pipe down the little trench here into a spring box. That's where the spring box is going to go. So it's been a fun little project so far. Just trying to document it, in steps and stages. But like I said, I've got pretty much the whole structure gone. Just trying to kind of clean it out a little bit more, see if I can get maybe a little bit more flow. I've estimated it to, I'll play it safe and say 10 gallons a minute. But the other day I ran a pipe out of it and I was getting 5 gallons in 30 seconds, which would be about 10 gallons a minute, and that's not even including the overflow pipe, which was still flowing out even, with collecting that. So, I'm probably getting about 12 to 13 or something gallons a minute, and that's a lot of water. You're talking about like 1,400 minutes a day. That's like 15,000 gallons a day or something like that. That's insane. That's absolutely nuts. So this spring is producing a lot of water, and it is crystal clear. So I'm real excited about it. Still moving forward with it. So stay tuned.